ago I was kind of kidding about raising my fence to keep the cats from escaping this yard, which it has worked so far. And this is the finished result. In a previous video I showed most of this fence being put up in place. And look at the size of that rock. That was pulled out of the ground. So here's my foot for comparison. Okay, big rock. All right, so over here, just wanted to show you something. I alluded to an idea that I came up with last time. And over here, this fence has handles on it. And neodymium magnets are holding this picket in place. And then the fence comes off of here. So there's 20 neodymium magnets, 10 up top, 10 at the bottom. On the other side over here, you can see several of them down there. And then those little metal pieces are what hold the fence in place with the magnets. So that piece of wood down there at the bottom and this one up here sit on the railing so it doesn't come apart. Basically, it holds it in place. So it's friction and neodymium magnets. And then this top metal piece here, what that does is it holds this piece right here onto the fence. So just real close up, those are neodymium magnets. The ones inside of here, I countersunk them. In the center is an aluminum nail, because I couldn't get the screws to catch in here after countersinking the magnet, so it's flush against here. So they needed that. And I had a claw, a little claw that I use for working on cars. It's a plastic claw to protect the magnet as I nailed in that aluminum nail. Otherwise you can damage the magnet. And then I used a countersinking tool just to tap that aluminum nail further in place. So you can hear it click into place, and down here everything's in place. So that's what it looks like. And then the little metal piece that's on top of there is just used to magnetically hold this piece of wood in place. So there you go. That allows me to go out onto the other side of my fence to trim back a lot of the vegetation that grows to prevent my fence from being rotted. So there's a lot of water and moisture that can build up between vegetation and the fence and cause problems. It just gives me the ability to go back and trim some of these massive trees that grow in my backyard, and I don't want them to cause a problem later on. So yeah, let me know what you think. Got two little handles there to pull it out. The whole thing comes out as one piece. There's 10 pickets, and they're held in place by 25 magnets. Pretty cool. Let me know what you think. Take care.